Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Gardening on a Budget series. Today, we're going to be discussing the episode for Grow Vegetables at Home Without Buying Seeds. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Did you know you can grow fresh vegetables at home without ever buying seeds? That's right, your kitchen scraps are the key. Many common vegetables can regrow from parts you usually throw away. It's a smart, sustainable way to save money and reduce food waste, all while enjoying the joy of home gardening. Green onions, lettuce, celery, and even garlic can regrow from leftover roots. Just place the base of these vegetables in a shallow dish of water, set them by a sunny window, and watch new growth appear in just a few days. Once the roots develop, transfer them to soil and continue growing them like any other plant. You can also plant scraps like potato eyes, tomato slices, and bell pepper seeds. Potatoes sprout from their eyes, which can be cut, dried for a day, then planted. Overripe tomatoes, slice them and plant them directly into the soil. Even seeds from store-bought peppers can sprout into thriving plants with proper care. Regrowing vegetables at home is easy, eco-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. With a little patience, sunlight, and water, your food scraps can transform into a fresh harvest. So before you toss that veggie waste, think twice. You might just be throwing away your next garden. Don't forget to share, and comment.